Once upon a time, in a beautiful land, there lived a young shepherd boy named David. He loved his sheep dearly and spent his days playing soothing music to keep them happy and safe. One day, a fearsome giant named Goliath challenged the people of Israel. The giant's voice boomed through the village square, filling everyone with fear and worry. "Who will fight me?" Goliath roared. David, though just a young shepherd boy, bravely stepped forward. "I will fight Goliath," he said with unwavering determination. His bravery surprised everyone, but David believed in himself. David prepared for battle with Goliath, collecting 5 smooth stones from a nearby river. He smiled, knowing that God would be with him as he faced the giant. David stood tall before Goliath, armed only with his sling and stones. Goliath sneered and mocked him, but David remained calm, trusting in God's strength and his own courage. With a single, well-aimed stone, David slung it towards Goliath. The giant fell to the ground, defeated. The Israelites erupted in cheers and celebrated David's incredible bravery and victory. David's courage and trust in God had saved the day. The people celebrated him as a hero, and he became a great leader. David's story reminds us that even the smallest among us can achieve great.